You are all welcome to this digital and marketing YouTube channel called World Digital. So today, guess what? I'm going to walk you through an important skill. If you are brand new to this channel, you're welcome to a citadel of digital and marketing skills whereby we transform your smartphone into a money-making machine. Yes, we transform your smartphone into a money-making machine. Yes. So, are you observing the studio that I'm enjoying? Have you watched the studio that I'm enjoying? Do you think this is a real studio? No, it's not a real studio. It's a fake studio. But this is the real studio that I'm showing you now. But what you saw before, it's a fake studio. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use a beautiful studio, how you can use a customized studio for yourself and enhance your video shooting. Yes, this video is actually fake, so I'm going to show you how you can customize your studios the way you want. You must not be in front of a beautiful house, but wherever you are shooting your video, you can always enhance it using these tricks that I'm going to show you. There are just few apps that I'm going to show you just with your smartphone. You can do this with your smartphone as well. You can do it with your laptop. But before I ride on to show you the practical part, the secrets of this tutorial, I first of all like you to subscribe to this YouTube channel called World Digital, still in one stuff, and give a thumbs up, a like, and don't forget to keep comments in the descriptive part of this tutorial. And I'm going to place a lot of links there that's going to link you to many of my tutorials. We have more than 120 premium digital and marketing skills in this YouTube channel. I'm still observing you. Click on the like button and as well click on the subscribe button. Thank you. Why are you smiling? I'm so happy that you're smiling. You're going to learn a lot. All these skills that are going to permit you transform your smartphone into a money-making machine. Let's say money-making machine. Yes, I'm going to show you all the secrets, how I transformed this studio to this other studio. Are you ready? If you're ready, keep a comment. Start ready. And I'm going to appreciate all those who have been commenting, liking my tutorials in my next tutorial. So let's ride on to the practical part of this tutorial.
Normally, you ought to have shot your videos already, the content of your video already. With that now, we will need three tools here. We will need the tool called KineMaster. It's a very powerful editing tool. This is it. This is how it looks like. This is how the KineMaster looks like. This is the interface of the KineMaster. We equally need a different tool called Pixelab. This app, it's used to design and do a lot more. So after you have shot your video, you click on KineMaster, you open KineMaster and you click on create new. And you know, most videos, YouTube videos, are always in the ratio 16:9. That is the best ratio, and it makes your video content so enjoyable on the YouTube channel. So at this level, you key the name of the project. You type, for example, fake studio. This is the tutorial of today. So I want to show you how you can make your fake studio. So you choose the ratio and you click on create. So when it loads now, what you have to do is you check on the video that you had recorded. You come here, for example. So let me say this is the video that I've recorded. You upload it But before uploading it, there's a website that you need to access to have beautiful backgrounds. It's the background of that website that we are going to use to change the background of our video. So that said, I will take you straight to go to your browser. Good. You take new tab and you type Leonardo AI. It's an awesome website where we generate beautiful backgrounds. So if you are still new on this website, you need to create an account. So you allow it to load. It's really amazing. Hello guys, don't forget to like this tutorial and hit on the subscription button if you have not yet done that. And there are many contents that are going to make you go wow. So at this level now, you click on create an account if you have not yet created one. So you wait, the app has to load. We are in the process of creating your account in this app. Wait for it to load. So this is how your background, the interface of your Leonardo will look like. At this level now, after you have created the account, you need to create new image, and you click on create new image here. Now at this level here, you need to type the type of image, the content, the items that you want your image to display. So you need to type a prompt here. In this prompt, so I wrote here a well decorated background having a flower vase, laptop, smartphone on the table, and an armchair placed in front. So after you have typed the prompt, you click on generate. So you always have coins, right? You always have coins. So when you click on generate, it will generate you images. So these are some of the images. Wow. See how cool the images are. You see, this is artificial intelligence, and I've lectured on this in our YouTube channel as well, and I'm going to place the link of most artificial intelligence things that I have tackled in the descriptive part of this tutorial. So these are the images that my prompt has generated. Wow. So you download them. So don't forget, if you need artificial intelligence images, cool ones, so I'm going to place this prompt in our descriptive part so that you can copy and you paste when you access this Leonardo website where you can generate your beautiful backgrounds. So with that, we will dive straight away first to Pixelab, the app that I showed you earlier. Pixelab, it's a graphic design app. This is it. You click on it, it loads. In our Pixelab, we will click on this three dots and you take on image size. So at this level now, you will put here with 16:9. That's the ratio of a YouTube channel and of a YouTube thumbnail. I have a lot of tutorials in my YouTube channel where you'll be taught how to create a thumbnail. A thumbnail is an image, an icon that appears whenever your videos are on social media, that promulgates, that pushes people to watch over your content. It's the thumbnail. So this is the size as well for a thumbnail. And in my YouTube channel, I have shown you how you can create thumbnails. So I'll place a link in the descriptive part of this tutorial. You can go there, you watch how you can create your YouTube thumbnail. So I will delete this. I will import. I'll click on this plus sign. I will import one of the images that I need to use. Okay, this is the image that I'm going to use for my studio, the background that I'll use for my studio. So this is the ratio here, 16:9. So you can set it the way you want so that the chair will appear, so that you can sit on the chair. You see? And now you click on the tick. You bring the picture, you try to expand it. Try to expand it here as well. So this is the same thing that I'm going to do with my thumbnail, but this one is to insert in the video, so that will change the background of our video. So, and you click on here, you can save the project, you give a name, fake background, yeah, of my studio, for example. This is all, and you click on OK. Now you come back here, you take save. So you put it in the GPN format here, dimension, you take ultra, and you save to gallery. So when it is saved now, you just dive straight away to our app called KineMaster. So if you don't have this powerful app, I'll place a link in the descriptive part of this tutorial. You'll go and download the premium app. So now we're going to restart the procedure back of creating our video content. So click on create. We choose the ratio 16:9. You give a project name, let's say Fake Studio. We know we gave a name before, so I'll just put Fake Studio 1. We choose the ratio 16:9. We click on create. So now at this level, now we need to choose the background of the studio. So this is the background. I'll click here. I've selected the background. So you try to expand it. You can expand it, because normally our video will be long. So you expand it. You expand the image of the studio that we want to use. And there's a good tutorial on how to use Pixelab in my YouTube channel, World Digital Skilling Oneself. So you check in the descriptive part, you as well see it. So I'll expand, because my video was shot for at least 3 minutes, so I'll extend it to 3 minutes. So when you check here, this is the red timing. So now I'll bring in now my video content. After you have brought in your background, which is it, this is it. Now you click here on layer here, you choose media. So we bring in now the video. We click on camera here, we bring in the video. So this is the video that I shot. So now let me play it. So at this level now, what I do is I try to expand, yes, so that it fits the studio. I'm sure you're observing. So now it's fitting the studio. They're equally editing videos in my YouTube channel. I'm going to place a link. So now the most important thing now at this level is you will need to remove the background of this video that I've just shot. I shot it on a green background, and you will know that in video editing it's easy for you to remove a green background with chroma key effect here on this powerful app called KineMaster. And this new app as well has other features that I'm going to show you. So we select the video, you scroll here, and you click on magic remover, because we have the chroma key effect. When you click on it, see, it has removed the background easily. You see? So let me play the video. Let me play the video. See? Wow, it's beautiful. You see how beautiful it is? So you can set now the picture the way you want now in front of the background. You see, that's amazing. And now you come now at the level of, you select the video, you come now at a level of adjusting. You can adjust the contrast, the saturation. It will give you what you want. So with that, you have a fake studio you can always use. So you can shoot your videos in front of a green background, a plain background, and you bring it on this app called KineMaster, and you change the background. You put the background that you want. Remember to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. We always upload new premium skills in this YouTube channel weekly, at least twice. So if you have any difficulties, there will be a link you can get to me, and I'll personally assist you. We are in a digital world. So let me play what I've just created already. So this is the final product that I'm going to upload in my YouTube channel. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep a comment. Love you all.